Can't find the My Files app on your Samsung Galaxy S26? Don't worry, it may simply have been moved, hidden, or disabled. Hello everyone, and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. In this video, I'll show you a few quick ways to find My Files and get it back on your app screen. Let's get started. The My Files app is Samsung's built-in file manager. It lets you browse downloads, documents, images, videos, and other files stored on your phone. You can also use it to search, copy, move, rename, and delete files. So if the My Files icon suddenly disappears, here's what you should check. First, search for My Files. Before changing any settings, make sure the app hasn't simply been moved somewhere else. Swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the app screen. Tap the search bar at the top, then type My Files. If My Files appears in the search results, the app is still installed and available on your phone. Open it directly from the search results if you need to access your files right away. You can also long press the My Files icon to check the available options and add it back to the home screen if needed. If you still can't find it, move on to the next method. Check your hidden apps. It's also possible that My Files was accidentally added to the hidden apps list. In this case, open Settings, then tap Home Screen. Scroll down and tap Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Check the Hidden Apps section. If you see My Files, remove it from the Hidden Apps list. Then tap Done to save your changes. Return to the Apps screen and check if the My Files icon is back. If it's still missing, there's another important setting to check. Make sure the My Files app isn't disabled. If an app is disabled, it may disappear from the app screen and stop working until you enable it again. So here's what you should do then. Open Settings, then tap Apps. Use the search option and look for My Files. Tap My Files to open its App Info screen. If you see an Enable button, tap it. This means the app was disabled, and enabling it should make it available again. If you see Disable instead, the app is already enabled, so there's nothing you need to change here. Return to the app screen and search for My Files again. Alternatively, you can access important downloads without using My Files. If you urgently need a downloaded file but still can't find My Files, you may be able to access it through the app you used to download it. For example, if you downloaded the file using Samsung Internet, open the browser and access its Downloads section. If you used Google Chrome, open Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, then tap Downloads. From here, you can view files you've downloaded through that browser and open the one you need. This isn't a replacement for My Files, but it can be useful while you're troubleshooting the missing app. Also, don't forget to check for updates. If My Files still isn't showing up, make sure your phone and Samsung apps are up to date. To do this, open the Galaxy Store and check for available app updates. Install any pending updates for My Files or other Samsung system apps if they're available. You should also check for a system update. Just open Settings, tap Software Update, and then tap Download and Install if a new update is available. Software and app updates can fix bugs that may cause built-in apps to behave unexpectedly. After updating, restart your Galaxy S26 and check the apps screen again. In most cases, the My Files app hasn't actually disappeared from your phone. Searching for it, checking hidden apps, and making sure it isn't disabled should help you find it again. And that's all there is to this guide. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pinoy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.